There's no need to tediously make changes to your tasks one by one. With the Multitask Toolbar, you can easily select multiple tasks and make as many changes as you want instantly. In List View, you can select individual tasks with the Multitask Toolbar by hovering over them and clicking on this dot. I can select all tasks within a group by clicking on this drop-down arrow and choosing Select All. I can even choose all tasks within a list by hovering over the drop-down arrow next to the list title and choosing Select All. Now I'm ready to select an action from the Multitask Toolbar. I can set watchers in bulk by clicking here. Watchers are those who can see notifications and stay aware of everything happening within a task, even if they're not the assignee. I can set assignees in bulk, or even change the status of all of my selected tasks. I can also apply tags, convert tasks to subtasks, move the tasks to a new location, or even set start or due dates to my tasks. I can also establish priorities for the tasks, set dependencies, and finally archive or delete tasks in bulk. If you want to select subtasks with the Multitask Toolbar, you'll just need to choose to show your subtasks. Now you'll see that I can see my subtasks as separate items, and I can select them to make changes with the Multitask Toolbar. You can also use the Multitask Toolbar when in Board View. Just hover over a task card and click this dot to select it, or select an entire column by clicking on the ellipses and choosing Select All. Lastly, there's a couple of different ways you can utilize the Multitask Toolbar when in a calendar view. Hold Command on a Mac or Control on Windows and then click to select different tasks on your calendar. From there, you can make any of those same changes with the toolbar. That's it for the Multitask Toolbar, but if you have any other questions, just let us know at help@clickup.com.